Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Bearded Ford Tech, and just clean up the shop a little bit, getting ready to put away some AMSoil. Getting ready to go home. If you have a 2020 through a 2022 Super Duty, this is going to be for you if you have the code P2201 P2209 P220E or 24FE, and this is dealing with the PCM software update and the NOx sensor 1.1. And I'm going to go in and show you that TSB right now. All right, here we see a technical service bulletin. 2201, 2209, 22E or 220E and a 24FE in the PCM, built on or before October 31st, 2022. And this is affecting the 2020 through 2022 Super Duties. And this is TSB number 24-2136. And what it's telling us to do is, if you have those codes stored in the PCM with the 6.7 Powerstroke engine, it may exhibit those DTCs. And this may be due to the software in the PCM and the NOx sensor 1.1, which is the first sensor. And I will show you on the parts diagram where that sensor is located, because I don't actually have a DPF here with me to show you, but I will show you on the parts diagram. Follow the service procedure to replace the sensor and reprogram the PCM and the TCM. The part number LC3Z5L248A. And I'm going to read this warranty status to you. Eligible under provisions of new vehicle limited warranty, emissions warranty, service part warranty, special part, extended service plan coverage. Limits and policies prior approvals are not altered by TSB. New vehicle limited warranty and emissions warranty, special parts warranty or service parts warranty, and ESP coverage limits are determined by the identified casual part and verified using the Oasis part coverage. So if you have this problem, it's going to tell them when they pull up the VIN if you're covered under warranty. But powertrain warranty, I think emissions warranty's 5-year 100,000 mile on a diesel. I believe it's 5-year 100,000 miles. Don't get me wrong, but I'm going to show you where that part is located. All right, and this is for a 2020 F250. Okay, if we look in here, you see this. That goes to the front of the vehicle. This is all on the passenger side frame rail. This is toward the front of the vehicle. Obviously, this goes to the back of the vehicle. It's this sensor right here. That one, 5K202. And the list price on that thing is $207. My cost is that. So your cost is somewhere around that too. And remember, I said the part number, the part number LC3Z5L248A. All right, so about 142 bucks, 150 bucks. What that part's going to cost. And remember, it's NOx sensor 1.1, the first one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. So we're looking at this one here. You're going to replace that, and then they're going to reprogram the PCM. If you're still covered under warranty, it's not going to cost you anything. So I hope that helps you with your 2020 through 22 Super Duty with the 2201, the 2209, the 220E, and the 24FE for the PCM software update and replacing the NOx module on the first sensor. And yes, everybody asked me, I do use the 5W40 Signature Series Max Duty, and somebody else asked me what color. I use the blue automatic transmission fluid, the Signature Series. There is a red label and a blue label. I do use the blue label. If you guys want to get you some AMSoil, I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can click on that and get some. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, shoot me an email. I hope this TSB helped you out if you are having this concern. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.